In this session, we're still busy with ledger account maintenance, and we're now going to look at select visible fields. Select visible fields will allow you to change the fields that you see in front of you. I can click on select visible fields and I can switch off some of the fields that I don't want to see. And as soon as I click on accept, it's now made those changes. I can go back to select visible fields. I can say switch off default, but what I would like to see is if journals is allowed on this account. So I can click on accept again, and it will then add the account for me. Now what I can do is I can move the account and I can resize these fields so that they can fit in better. Just remember that if you make changes to your fields, always right click and save. If it happened that your fields are not all showing, or what's showing is not what you would like to see, you can always click on reset and it will then return to the default. Or you can click on select visible fields and you can click on restore default, and that will also bring back the default fields. The next option we're going to look at is our search option. The search option will allow you to find words, and it will allow you to search for them in 3 types: case sensitive, close when it finds it, or bring up verbose, which will bring up a text screen telling you it's found it and where it is. You can also specify that it must be an exact match or partially matched at the beginning or anywhere, and then you can even specify in what field you would like to find the text, or any field, and it will then look for those fields for you, in any of the fields for you. Balances will allow you to select an account and compare each month's balance. If you trade in the previous year, it will even show it to you in previous years. You've got a normal report, if I say preview, or you can preview it in a pie chart, or you can preview the option in a bar chart, also making sure that you're in the correct financial here. And then we've got our sequence option, where we can change the sort sequence between account, description, or type. Every time I click on sequence, it will change your sort order. And then we have a delete option. I will explain add and edit in individual sessions. So we'll just look at the last one here, delete. Delete will allow you to delete a ledger account. You can only delete ledger accounts if there's no transactions connected to them. So be very careful. What is nice about the delete option is that you will be able to use this code again. I'm going to say no. And that concludes looking at this session of a ledger account maintenance.